thingy-majigger challenge with
Paul!
Yeah!
High five!
So that's what we're doing today, like I said, and also today's like by just me. Paul, you can do it.
No, I don't want to do it.
Okay, then I'll do it half.
No idea what
we'll
to
do half and half, okay?
Alright.
You got to put your hands in the air like you just don't care, and then you finish it, Paul.
Spin around, touch your toe, and press it with your nose. Boop.
Also, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I post videos every single day. And yeah. And that's it. Let's get straight on into the video. Yo. So basically, guys, how this game goes is you're supposed to get all the balloons, all the gloves, I guess. Basically, all the colors. So whatever you're using. Okay, and then just mix them all up into like a pile or, you know, just everywhere that you don't know. And then the other person is supposed to close their eyes and pick 3 colors. So we'll do rock, paper, scissors. And
right,
yeah.
let's do it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang it.
I choose. You go first.
Alright, mix them up, Ameerah. Go for it.
You can do it now. I like to do a little game, guys. We try and guess which color you
Okay,
get.
this one I want to guess is red. This one, I don't want that one. This one is blue. And this one, no, I'm not gonna go to that one. This one, pink.
Yeah, you got the red one right.
Alright.
Oh, you got the pretty one. There's this. He got one of the unicorn, the mystical ones. This one has little stars in it, and it's so freaking cute. So,
that's nice.
And this one, you were on like this. It was hilarious. You're like, what is it? And you're like, this one is blue. My turn.
Okay, go.
Let me see. This. Why did it make that noise? Okay, this one I think is a blue glittery one. And then this one I think is a. Paul, can you get your finger on my
How
face?
do you know my hand is there?
Because there's light in our faces, and then there's like shadow,
Okay,
and then I can feel the heat from your finger, from your weird, warm, really hot fingers. He has like extremely hot fingers that like melt slime. Okay, this one, I think it is yellow. And then this one, glittery one.
You got every single one right.
My God, yay!
That's insane. That's not possible. You got every single one right.
All right, well, let's get this show on the road. So we got yellow first. Okay, so you're supposed to cut the tip right here. Ooh, look how cool it is. I should probably go faster. Ta-da! Look how cool. That looks so cool. I love it. So there's my yellow. I'm excited, guys, because I got such nice colors. Like, I didn't even get one of the crazier ones that are kind of going to make it white.
You think you'll win? Because I got nice colors too.
I think I'll win. Next one is this glittery blue one. Oh, okay. That is what the heck? I'm just like leaving the plastic in there. Look at how cool that looks. That one looks really cool. That one was Elmer's glue, and we mixed a little bit of water with it to kind of make it fill it out more. And then the last one is this glittery one. I can't believe I got all of them right, guys. Ooh. This one is glittery and it has pigment in it. All right, let's squish this one. Yes. Whoa, guys, this is crazy. It looks so cool. I'm gonna have to take out those gloves now. Ooh, look at how pretty this is. Okay, let's go ahead and mix it. I wonder how it's gonna look. It's just gonna be like a green pearlescent slime, but I wonder how it's gonna look still. There's more yellow than blue, so that's cool. I like, wait, is it cool? I don't know. I think it would have been better with more blue. This looks cool, I like it. Yes, it's a nice like pigmented slime.
That looks really nice.
Yes. Hashtag Team Ameerah. Snip, 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 snip.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna do this one first.
He's gonna snip the pink one.
Snipper
Snip.
doodle.
Can you not get all the glue on it?
Snipping snurters and snippers.
Snip.
Yay. Look at that.
Should put the other ones first.
I'm gonna get my hands dirty, but that's okay. Which one should I do now, Ameerah, then?
Well, it doesn't even matter anymore.
Fine.
Wait, can you show them that one, how beautiful it is? Majestic. It's got these little cute hearts in it. I meant no stars.
Can you guys see that? It has stars everywhere. Looks really cool. Get it.
Snip. 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 Ooh my god, that looks so cool.
Nice. Look at that. Whoa. That was like a pink star glittery mess. Alright, last one is the red one.
Yum, 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 yum. I'm a butterfly.
Snip, snip, snip.
No, no snip.
Alright.
Snip! Snip.
Snipperdoodle. Snipping town. Snippers. Snipping. Whoa. This one's weird. I don't know if it's gonna match with this.
I like that one. It will. It will. It will.
Okay, alright. So I think I have a chance to beat you, Ameerah. Look at that.
You do.
I think I can win this. Alright, let's activation this. Alright, so here's mine. Because I called first. It's really nice. I don't know if you guys can see these sparkles. But they're there. And they're pretty. And they're stars. And I know Ameerah wishes she had them. It's super nice, super thick, super tasty looking slime.
Achoo!
Nice. Thanks, Ameerah.
Sorry.
You want to do ASMR? I don't know if I'm good at it.
Well, some people like it. But I'll do some.
Cool. Do it.
Stars! There's stars everywhere! Oh, I want to make a bowl with this. Wow.
Nice.
Alright, my turn!
This is hashtag Team Paul. Hashtag Team Paul.
No.
Yes.
There it is, guys. I think mine's really pretty. I think I'm gonna call this Tinkerbell's garbage.
What? To me, it looks like a sour pop candy.
I forgot what they're called. Her finds?
Green apple sour pop candy.
Yeah, I'll call it green apple sour pop candy fairy. Green apple sour pop candy fairy. There you go. Ta-da! I like it. I think it's pretty good. It's a little thick though. Hashtag Team Ameerah!
No, hashtag Team Paul. Hashtag Team Paul.
Ameerah!
Ameerah, no, Team Paul.
Round 2! Okay, if you guys didn't understand, I said round 2. Okay, well, yeah, let's just
Round 2.
start. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe! Rock, paper, scissors, shoe!
Ha!
Did you
ha.
do it? Did
I
it?
know, you tried to cut my rock.
No!
Yes.
Okay, you choose.
You go first since I went first.
Okay.
I guess that goes like that. Alright, go.
Okay.
You close your eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Ring around the rosies, ring around the rosies, ring around the... I don't know what I'm doing.
Go for it.
Can you cover my eyes so people don't think I'm cheating?
Okay, sure.
Because I'm really good at guessing. What
Can
the-
you see through that?
No.
Alright, I got this. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can't see through him.
This one I think is red. And then this one I think is the Nickelodeon blue. And then this one I think is Nickelodeon pink. How'd I do?
You
Terrible?
got one right. My turn. Go.
Oh,
Okay,
go.
I'm ready. I'm gonna guess this one is blue. Okay. Then I'm gonna guess this one is yellow. And then this one is clear.
You did terrible.
Wait, what is this one? Why do I have 4?
You don't have 4.
Oh, I wanted this one. Darn it, this is horrible. I got blue, orangey, red, and then clear.
It's okay, actually. Technically, since it's red and blue, it's gonna turn purple. But also, this one is gonna dominate everything. So, alright, I think mine's gonna do it. I got freaking galaxy colors. I always get galaxy colors. It's crazy. Okay, guys. So first, we're gonna do this purple one. This purple one, not these purple one. Okay. Snip. 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 And snip. And snip. Yes! Look at how cool it is, guys.
It's like a waterfall of some kind of alien goo.
Toxic waste ball.
Alien goo, okay? Alien goo.
Next one is this blue one.
Snip, snappers, snipperdoodle, snipping, snappers.
Ta-da!
That looks like just a normal waterfall.
That's a very dark waterfall.
Ocean waterfall.
That's still dark. Last one is this glittery pink one.
Snipping, snapping, snippers.
Ta-da!
Nice. This one's super thick.
Yeah, this one's thick. This one is awesome.
Let's mix it.
Get out of there. You passed. Get out. Okay. Let's mix it. Ooh, this is looking pretty.
I think mine's gonna be better. My turn. Snappers, snipping, snipping, snappers, snipping. Look at that. Yes. Alright, blue is next. And
Yeah, it is.
okay. I wanna cut him this way. Deflated. And lastly, the one Ameerah wishes she had.
Nah, I don't.
No? Okay.
Looks cool though. There's a lot of glitter in that one.
Whoa. It's gonna make the slime look so cool. What color do you think this is gonna turn out?
I think it's just gonna be like a weird blue.
Yeah, it's just blue. That red did nothing.
Yeah, like a darkish blue.
Well, it's still the same color blue. It's like,
Not really. It's a little bit more clear.
it's really like, it didn't change much at all.
Yeah, it's a darker blue. Alright guys, let's activate.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Nice.
Yes. Ours look the same. Just mine's darker and prettier and better.
Mine is better.
Okay, let's do some base fire. Go first. So here's my slime, guys. It's nice and purple, and it's purple and glittery. I think we should name this one a midnight sky. I think that would be cool. I think I did pretty good on both rounds. I think we both did pretty good on both rounds, because sometimes the thing with this challenge, guys, is sometimes if you have bad luck, you can get like 2 bad colors, and your slime you'll just have like be left with like a weird brown slime. And I think we did pretty good, because Paul got a pink slime, I got a green slime, and Paul got a blue slime, and I got like this purple one. So I think it went well today. I don't think I can do it, guys. This one is too thick. Alright, well, Paul, you can show
My
whatever
turn.
you have.
Let's do this. Okay, guys, my slime is so much better. Hashtag Team Paul. And subscribe.
I forgot to say hashtag Team Ameerah.
You guys gotta hit that subscribe button. Look how pretty that is. It is Elmer's glue, so it's like an extra point. Hashtag Team Paul again. Go, go, go. Look how thick that is. That is super thick. I know this is like by luck, but I still win. This is win right here.
Whoopsies.
Look at the nice globs. It's a nice glob of slime. When this clears up, it's gonna be the most beautiful slime ever.
Yeah, right, it will.
Hashtag Team Paul and subscribe.
Anyway, guys, I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you guys comment down below what your favorite slime is. I think my favorite would be this green one. I really love the color of it, and oh, I'm sorry, you guys didn't see that. This green one, I really like the color and like the glitter in it, and I think it's really pretty.